This is Unit 5, or Unit 69, Problem 5, where you're asked to determine the area of the piece shown in this figure. So first of all, we want to recognize that this is a piece of a circle, and the piece of the circle that's displayed here is 103 degrees. That's 103 of 360 total degrees. So the proportion of the whole circle is 103 out of 360. And we're wanting to find area, so what we're going to need to do is to multiply that by the area of the circle, which would be pi times radius squared. And our radius in this case that we've been told is 30.6 squared. When we multiply that out, and I did use my pi button, I did not approximate it to 3.14, I find that the area of the inner portion of this piece of pi is 841 said to the nearest hundredth, 64 square millimeters. But now we have to consider the fact that we don't want the entire area of that piece of pie. We just want the area in the shaded region. So this is the smaller inner circle of this picture. We need to go about finding the area of the bigger outer circle or piece of the circle in this picture. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take the proportion of the whole circle, 103 divided by 360, and multiply it by the area of the outer circle, which would be pi r squared again. Well, r now is 30.6 plus the additional 12.2 millimeters. So for the outer circle, r is 42.8 millimeters. So the area of the outer circle, or portion of the circle, would be 1,646.54 square millimeters. So now to find the region, the area of the shaded region, we're going to need to take the outer area, the larger piece of pie area, 1,646.54, and subtract the inner circular region, which was 841.64. And we find the area of the shaded region would be 804.90 square millimeters.